What's the meaning of craps? Craps. Craps.
Craps. Craps. Craps is a dice game played in casinos where players make bets on the outcome of rolling 2 dice. The game is usually played against the house and can often involve multiple players. The objective of the game is to correctly predict the result of the roll of the dice, with various betting options available to players. The most common bets are pass and don't pass, where players bet on whether the shooter will win, roll a 7 or 11, or lose, roll a 2, 3, or 12, on their first roll.